At the moment, negotiations with North Macedonia and Albania are at an acute halt. The problem is no longer only political. The situation has become a moral concern for the European Union. What has North Macedonia done for its European perspective? Everything and more. And what has it received in return? Nothing and less. In this sense, the integrity of the European Union is being severely tested. I'm trying to understand that the EU enlargement is not a very priority at the moment, given all the problems in the Union and beyond. And yet, I believe that an all-round effort to achieve progress in the negotiations with North Macedonia and Albania should remain a priority until this issue is closed.